Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to only upload YouTube videos on your iPhone over Wi-Fi. So maybe you have a very bad mobile connection, but you have Wi-Fi available. Well, you can only upload using Wi-Fi. So let's go to YouTube right here and open up this application. Now here is the main page. Go to the bottom right and click on your profile where it says you. Now we're brought to this page. Go to the top right, and there's a setting little icon next to search. Tap that. Then we're under this page. Scroll on down until we get to uploads right here. And tap uploads. And here's the two options. So you might actually want to do this. It says upload quality. By default, this is set to 1080p. Or we can set it to full quality if you're trying to upload 4K at 60 frames per second or anything above that. Well, you can get the full quality of the video right there. Otherwise, you're going to be limited to the default of 1080p, maybe at 30 frames per second. But here we have the option for upload over Wi-Fi only. Turn this on, and this will save some data for you, and maybe it'll even upload a little bit quicker if you're by Wi-Fi right there. So just turn it on, and you should be good to go. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.